Today we'll be talking about the brush and how to, when you use it and you don't want to leave it inside the bucket, what you want to do is put it somewhere here. So let's get started. See, if you have this metal piece on your brush, buy one of these and put it in your bucket. When you dip it, paint it, then when you need to rest it, it stays there. But if you don't have money, or you don't want to spend money, or you're at the job site and you don't have this, I'll show you another way of, so it stays on your bucket and it doesn't have to stay like this, but it can stay straight like that. Grab yourself a screw. Mine's 1 inch. I prefer 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches. Grab your brush, put a screw. You can either do it here or you can do it in here, and depends which way you want to set it. So if you want to set it this way in angle, if you want to do it on this side, screw it right in the middle. You have to screw in too far. So as long as it doesn't go through here, it'll poke you. And this is it. And then you dip it, paint it, and then you rest it, and then it stays there. Just move it however you want, and then it's out of your way. And the screw keeps it from falling. And if you have a little bit longer, it's a little bit better. But yeah, that's one of the tricks. That's how you do it. And then when you're done, you either leave it here or you can unscrew it and put it away. The reason why you don't want to leave this inside the bucket is because you might have too much paint on it and it's gonna be all paint with paint, or also it's gonna mess up your brush. If it stays there too long like this, it'll make that shape and it'll stay like that. So you never want to leave your brush inside the bucket. You always want to leave it flat or hang it on something. Talking about wood putty, there's different types. So usually when it comes in kind of wet and like not as dry. So when you use it on something, it's sticky. So the trick to do is to make it less sticky. What I usually use is cornstarch, and you just dip it in there, and then if you want to, you can also sprinkle it. And just roll it, smash it, roll it. And then you have nice, less sticky, easy to work with. So once you use it, it's easy. Put it in the hole and just smooth it out. Just like this. Nice and smooth. Let's find another hole. Just like that, and just smooth it out. And then when you paint it over, it's all covered. And that's how the trick for the wood putty.